December 2nd, 2020 Daily Math Review. A student runs 2 miles for every 10 minutes she walks. Part A. Complete the table, then graph the pairs of the values. All right, so what we're going to do, well, how do I get from 2 to 10? I know that. That's pretty easy, right? We just multiply by 5. All right, now, opposite way, from 10 to 2, I divide by 5. All right, let's finish our table. Arrow pointing to the empty box. What's 4 times 5? That's 20. What is 30 divided by 5? That's 6. And what is 7 times 5? 35. All right, now let's go ahead and graph them and plot them on our coordinate plane here. So we have 2 for our running. So here's our running in minutes, and here's our walking in minutes. So the running first, our x-axis is running, so we have 2 and then 10. So we're going to go down the hall 2, up 10. So we're going to go down that hall 2, up to 10. And here's 10 on our graph. Pay attention to the numbers. All right, so down the hall 4, up 20. We're going to go down that hall 4, up to 20. Down the hall 6, up 30. 10, 20, 30. Down the hall 7, up 35. All right, now, perfect. So we kind of have one that's in the middle. What do you think we would have in here if we were to have 5? Well, 5 times 5, I know that would be 25, so it's kind of in the middle. So it's kind of a smaller, shorter line. So if you can see and notice the pattern, it's going real close together. All right, so part B, how long would the student walk if she runs for 7 minutes? So running, you can either look at the graph here. For 7 minutes, we go up, and she walked for 25 minutes. We can also look, I should probably move this over. There we go. And down. Perfect. All right, and you can also look at the table. Running 7 minutes, she walked for 35 minutes. So I'm going to double click there. I'm going to put 35 minutes. Whoop, if I want to do space. Perfect. And that's it for the DMR. Great job.